Welcome to Lorne's Money Tips, where you'll discover insider secrets on how to save time, energy, and money when buying, selling, refinancing, renovating, and maintaining your home. This episode is brought to you by Lorne Andrews of Dominion Lending Center's Expert Financial, the #1 mortgage choice for GTA homebuyers. Now, here's your money tips.
Okay, today we're going to talk about what you need to know when choosing a fixed rate mortgage. When choosing a mortgage, most Canadians choose a 5-year fixed rate. But just because fixed rate mortgages are more popular, that doesn't mean they're necessarily a good fit for you. The main attraction of fixed rate mortgages is that the interest rate remains the same, so your monthly payments don't change. The downside is that in order to provide you with that predictability, lenders usually charge higher interest on fixed rate mortgages than on variable rate mortgages. The higher rate covers the cost of keeping your rate steady even in a rising interest rate market. Here are 4 factors to keep in mind when considering a fixed rate mortgage. Number 1, over the long term, as interest rates rise and fall, the total interest paid with variable rate mortgages is on average less than fixed rate. Number 2, a 1% rise in rates will cost you roughly $80 more interest per month for every $100,000 of mortgage. And of course, that amount changes based on the interest rate. Number 3, when the difference between a long-term fixed rate and a variable rate is less than 0.5%, you're paying very little for the extra security of a fixed rate. Number 4, many variable rate mortgages let you lock in if rates start rising. However, some banks' conversion rate can be 0.5% higher than their best discounted rate. Choosing between a fixed rate or variable rate is complicated. You have to decide whether the security of predictable monthly payments is essential to your budget. You have to consider how long you may live in the house and whether you may need to break out of the mortgage early. And of course, you'll want some insight into where mortgage rates are heading over the next several years. If you're like most people, you're going to need some help with all those decisions. As your local mortgage professionals, that's what we specialize in. For more information, call us today.
Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Lorne's Money Tips. If you have any questions or comments, please call Lorne today at 416-276-6445.